Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are doing fine. Today, I'm going to recite a story in front of you. I hope you like this story. The title of the story is The Three Little Pigs. There were three little pigs who used to live with their mother. Once upon a time, three little pigs left their mother's home, and in order to seek their own fortunes and to build their own house, they left their mother's house. Then the three little pigs, they left the house and wanted to make their own separate house. The three little pigs gathered material for their houses. The first little pig chose to build his house from straw. The second one built his house from the sticks. And the third little pig chose to build his house from the bricks. The first and the second pig made their house very fast and in a hurry, whereas the third pig, who was building their house by bricks, slowly built his house by using very strong bricks. He never hurried in building his brick house. There used to live a wolf, a hungry wolf, who always wanted to eat the three little pigs. One day, suddenly, the big bad wolf came upon the first little pig's house. He knocked on the door. Little pig, let me come in, or I will huff and I will puff and I will blow your house down, called the wolf. The little pig felt safe in his house, as he thought that his straw house is very strong. So he shouted back, "Not by the hair on my shiny chin." So the wolf huffed and he puffed, and in fractions of seconds he blew the house down. The little pig escaped and ran to his brother's house, which was made of sticks. The wolf followed, excited that he might get to eat the two little pigs. When he reached the second pig's house, which was made of sticks, he shouted, little pigs, let me come in," he called, "or I will huff and I will puff and I will blow your house down." "Not by the hair on your shiny chins," the two little pigs called back, thinking that the sticks are strong and the wolf cannot break their house. The wolf huffed and he puffed and he blew the house down. The two little pigs raced to their brother's house, which was made up of bricks. Then the wolf followed the first two pigs till the third house, which was made up of bricks. And once he reached the house, he began to shout, little pigs, let me come in, or I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down." All the three little pigs shouted together, "Not by the hair on our shiny chins." The wolf huffed and he puffed and he huffed and again he puffed, but he could not blow the house down. The wolf was really hungry and he was very angry that he hadn't gobbled up any little pigs yet. So he decided to climb down the chimney instead of blowing down the house. The three little pigs saw that the wolf was climbing up onto the roof so that he could climb down the house through the chimney. They figured out that he would come down the chimney, so they lit a roaring fire and put a pot of water on top of it. Not knowing that under the chimney there is a hot pan with hot boiling water in it. Suddenly the sound came, splash. The wolf came down the chimney, but he fell straight into the pot of boiling water. Yow! He roared as he leaped up and ran straight out of the house and far, far away. Then the three little pigs never had any trouble for him again, and they all lived happily ever after. So kids, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is haste makes waste. That is, quick work is always the work of a devil. So kids, you should always work steadily, calmly, and with full concentration. Never hurry in any work. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.